Right, yo people, so Vic Repairs is back. I know it's been a while, but we're finally back. We're in a bit of a change of environment. Show off the environment, I trust the assistant Chloe. We are in a secret, undisclosed location, safe house, so we cannot disclose where we are. But today, we're also working on a different type of vehicle, no electric vehicles. We've downgraded to my 80cc motorised bicycle. You want to come show off the bicycle, Chloe? So this is my 80cc motorised bicycle. It's a few years old now, and I'm doing a video on it because it needs fixing. The engine I think is alright, I believe. However, this wheel, the bearings, is broken. So what we're going to be doing today is taking off the wheel, right? Taking off this sprocket here and grabbing a wheel off one of them bikes, putting the sprocket on the new wheel, put the wheel back on, and we should be ready to go. So yeah, so we're going to show that off today, and yeah, I hope you boys enjoy. Right people, so first things first is take this divvy wheel off. If it even, yeah, that's the plan. Mason, you best edit a lot of this out, mate. All right, I'm counting on you. Right. Uh-oh. So as you can see here, get a zoom in on that, Chloe. As you can see where that's splitting apart, that is definitely not meant to be happening. So that's the problem with this wheel and why I can't actually ride this bike properly. Otherwise, I'd probably fall off and crash and die. So this thing can push 40 miles per hour, I believe, last time I was on it. So yeah, that's the plan. So all right, people, so we've got the bolts off. So now we're going to get this lovely chain off. These brakes are already... Ooh, well, there you go. Health and safety first.
Why'd you do that?
And there we go. So there's the wheel. And now we need to get this sprocket off so I can put it on the new wheel. Because, yeah, that is totally finished. That is finished. So, yeah, I'm going to get back to you when I'm taking this sprocket off. So I am securing the wheel. So it's just a bit easier to take this off. But, yeah, that is... Because obviously I've secured the, I don't know what you call this, the axle maybe. But, yeah, that is just not meant to be doing that. Don't mind the fact that I've got different bolts. Don't you worry about that. That's just because I lost a few in the process of making it when I made it, or when I put it together 2 or 3 years ago. And my spokes are a bit bent as well, but that's from me ragging it. But you know, that's how it goes. So we're just going to get on with getting these off now. Oh, this is too big. That's what she said. All right, people. So that is number 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. So we're going to get back to you when I do the rest. So after proper pain in the arse, we got the sprocket off. This is obviously quite damaged and ragged from how long I've had it now. Well, I haven't even had it for that long, but yeah. And these are the gaskets that hold it. Well, gasket, I say gasket. I don't know what this is fucking called. Doesn't really matter. But it's the bit that holds it to the wheel, I guess you could say, and actually lets it bolt in. And there's another one on this side, and there's these little metal bracket bits as well. So we've got basically take all of this. Oh. See, I haven't done this in so long, I don't remember. Right, there we go. And then this one. That's garbage, trash, bin. Yeah. All right then, people. So now I need to try and struggle to get this wheel off because this is ultra mega tight for some odd reason. But we'll get back to you when I get it off. So we are back. I've got the wheel off. Got it on the. I forgot what you call this. What do you call this, Chloe?
Table wrench.
No. I've just thought about it. I hope this sprocket is going to go on over this quick release, and it does. So and it does fit actually really nice and flush there. So now basically what we're going to do is what we just did, but in reverse. So we're going to first start off with, if I remember correctly, first this one on. We get this gasket or whatever the frick it's called. Basically the thing to hold the screws, but nuts and bolts in place. So we got to get that round this axle. There we go. Right. And then also at the same time, you have to get these on while also trying to put the screws in. And it's a whole job. It's quite difficult. It's not the easiest thing in the world. Also just realised this has got to go on after that, and then this, I think. Yeah, that looks correct to me. Right people, so after some painstaking work and a good half an hour or so, finally got the sprocket on. Don't know whether all the bolts are tight, but I guess we'll find out when I get onto it. So we're going to now install it back onto the bike, and then we're going to meet you up the hill to see if we can get it started. Right then people, so we're up at the top of this hill. Safety first, so I'm going to put this gay looking helmet on. Alright, don't call me a queer, but safety first, like I said, just in case I fall off or whatever. So first attempt. I don't think it's going to go, but right, fuel is flowing, so let's get a good bit of speed first. Hold on. Right, attempt number 2. That one didn't work, just had to climb up the hill again, but here we go. Let's pick up a bit of speed. It did go a little bit, so if it's not going to be this one, it's going to be the next one. So here we go, attempt number 3. Alright, attempt number 4 people. I'm out of breath, let's go. Right then people, so you saw it running. That is me done for today. And that is the motorised 80cc bicycle finished. Hopefully in 1 or 2 years time I'm going to buy a tricycle, and then I'm going to put the engine on the tricycle because I think that's cooler. But it's been a successful mission. The wheel isn't loose anymore. It's all certified, still running after 3 or 4 years now. So sweet, and I'll catch you lot in the next one.